Today we're gonna draw Pascal, the chameleon, from the famous movie called Rapunzel. Pick up a pencil, let's draw a star. Monster cicadas, maybe a shark. Let's draw together, here forever, you and I. Colors alright. Draw with Nyle. Hey everyone, I'm Nyle, and I'm going to draw with my dad. And I use Procreate. You can also use paper and pencil. Open Procreate, click on the color. Choose color from the color wheel. Select brush and start drawing. Use eraser to erase. Now test the brush. Yep, that's good. Let's stabilize the stroke so my lines are perfect. So let's get started. That doesn't look easy. My dad is starting from the tail. And it's a swirl. Swirls are hard, but let's try it. So the tail joins the back. Now connect the tail with the tummy. Now the head. Draw two triangles, one smaller than the other one because it's behind this. Create a dimension. Now draw a round for the eye and for the pupil. And the second eye is a little smaller. Okay, that's weird, but let me try it. So kind of like a wave that curves up as the upper lip and curves down to form the lower lip. Phew. You did it in a couple of tries. I know I did. Now the sticky tongue. I saw a real chameleon and it grabbed the fly in the blink of an eye. Now erase the overlapping parts and everything will start to make sense. Now the legs. Chameleon has 4 legs. I'm just following my dad. He knows what he's doing. I trust him. Okay, but I don't see no fingers. But that's like a Lego man, the builder. Now let's draw dorsal ridges. It's easy, just draw descending waves. Now let's give Pascal a tree branch. Otherwise, what is he holding on to? Erase the overlapping. This part is difficult. Slow down the video and copy it. Now let's color it. I'll add colors to it. I will speed up this part. Slow down the video if you want to keep watching, and I'll see you at the end. for